Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Need to update your Shopify store's footer? In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit the footer in Shopify in 2024, allowing you to add custom links, contact info, and more. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So here it is, like a question from one of the Shopify users. I want to update the address in the bottom and remove the Powered by Shopify. If I am paying for this service, I don't feel like it needs to be advertised on here. I have some experience with HTML and CSS and Java, and I'm not seeing this in footer section. And I'm just wondering if it stays till my 14-day trial expires or if it is permanent. If it is permanent, then I'd rather just go to e-commerce to run the shop. Any input on how to modify would be great. I also want to change my hyperlink to my domain and not to Shopify one. Thanks again. And this is the Shopify partner that answers the question. To edit the Shopify footer section on your Shopify store, you need to follow these steps. On the Shopify admin, go to themes and then click on the customized theme. So here we go, click on online store, go to theme, and here you will be able to customize the theme. So let's click in here and we will be able to customize it. Now this page will have everything from the top to the bottom, and here we can literally customize our footer. In the footer, on the left side, we have here these sections. We can add blocks and section. We can add, for example, a new section, and we can add, for example, an email sign up, which will create another whole section. We can add a block within this footer, which can have menu, for example. As you can see here, this is the menu. We can move it so it can be here. We can move it around, we can drag it down. Well, there is no other blocks here, that's why I cannot move it. But yeah, this is the hyperlink. So here we have quick links. If I hover into it, you can change menu and you can create a new menu. Now the menu can be created from the navigation, so you can here add new menu items, and then once you have finished, click on save menu and it will be saved. Also here you can delete and remove and adjust things within your footer, but the main thing is stays as powered by Shopify. I have it removed, so it will not be a problem for me. For you guys, normally it should be here within the themes. Go ahead and click on these three buttons and then click on edit code. For that being done, open the theme here, and I guess it's gonna be within the sections. Search for the footer. So here it is, footer liquid, and within this area normally you will find, so like you can just press here, because normally if you click on Control F it will open this area, which is the Control F search bar of Google. Now we want to search within the code, so click within the code and click Control F. This will open this area right here where you are going to write down powered, and after that click on next. Now as you can see, I have it removed, so I don't really have it, but let me just search for link. Next, next, next. So normally it will be something next to link. It will be a powered by and there will be a link next to it. Yeah, this is like something like that. So it can be something like that. Well, what you need to do is to simply remove the link that will be mentioned in there. Now I have it removed. As I said, we removed it in a previous video, so the powered by Shopify thing is no longer mentioned in my footer, and I do not have it as you saw in the template. Let me just open it again. Let's go right here, go to the bottom of the page, and as you can see, I don't have powered by Shopify, so my store, there's only my store. We could also search for my store to actually find exactly where it was mentioned. So we can go here to the sections, search for the footer, click here, my store, and click on next. Yeah, even my store is not mentioned in there. We could group Featured footer liquid. Yeah, normally it should be in here, the powered by. So you could go back to one of the previous videos about how can we remove the powered by Shopify. It's very easy, very straightforward video. It was very helpful for many of you guys. So for those who didn't know about it, you can go back and go check it out. Now, after we customize the thing, which is going to customize theme, you have to go choose custom block, which we did, section, and then scroll down to footer position, where you will see all the footer links are set. If you want to edit the title that appears for each block, just change the text in the title column. If you want to edit the content that appears under each block title, edit the content column accordingly. Some blocks appear with a drop down to choose the content that fits you. None. This will not display anything under the footer block title. Footer displays the footer links that are set in navigation footer list. You can manage it by clicking on edit link list. On the page that opens, you can edit the existing links as well as add another link. Be sure to click on save when the changes are made. Main menu displays links set in navigation, main menu list. It can be edited the same way as footer list. You can also add new lists and you will be able to choose it from the custom block content dropdown. To do so, go to navigation and click on add a link list. On the page that opens, fill in the fields with appropriate information. Click on save linked list. After all the necessary changes are done, for footer custom blocks, click publish changes. And just like that, you will be able to edit the footer on your Shopify store. As you saw, guys, it's pretty simple and nothing complicated at all. So you just have to follow these steps that I have shown in this video. You could view one of our previous videos that we made also about Shopify footer and powered by Shopify removed and other things that could be very, very interesting and helpful for you, that will literally change a lot of things in the website itself and makes it much more adjustable and modifiable than it was before. You can also just copy this whole URL, this code in here, and paste it to ChatGPT as an example, and make ChatGPT add the adjustment that you want in case you didn't know how to code and how to edit this code and how to basically just change anything within this code. So you can make ChatGPT or any AI that helps you code understand this code and basically change it the way you want it and matches your brand and store. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. We'll do my best to read all of your comments one by one. And yeah, that was pretty much it. See you guys in the next tutorial.